Good day, viewers at home. You are welcome to my channel. It is Headway Stitches. In today's class, I'll be taking you the step-by-step approach to make these beautiful sleeves. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will get notified. And if you are returning, please don't forget to like and share. Stay tuned while I take you through the process. So we have our fabric. These are our sleeves. Here is the rough side. Then you fold it this way. You must have notched the area where you want to fold. So, so the next thing is just that you apply your stay. I'm using cloth stay now. It must be the same size as your folding. Your cloth stay must be the same size. So the next thing you are going to do is just to fold this. Fold it equally and pick the center. So I have this. So the wideness of my fold is 2.5. I have 2.5 as the wideness of my fold. So the next thing you are going to do is just to make out the space, that little design we want to create there. So I want the entire wideness to be 1. So you are going to mark half inch here, half inch at this other side. That is going to be 1. So the entire design, the space, I want it to be 2 inches. 2 inches. You must not exhaust this stay. It must not reach this place. So just stay halfway. So it's okay. So now on this, you are going to leave 1 inch allowance. Here at this side, 1 inch allowance. That is where you are going to put the stripe, where we are going to put the button. So you leave this place opened while sewing it. Leave this place opened. So now the next thing we are going to do is just to create our loop where we are going to fix our button. So my loop, I'll be having 2 inches wideness. So then you fold half and fold half again at the other side, so that all you have is going to be 1. Put hemming gum in between. Then the next thing you are going to do is just to fold it again to close it up. Then do well to put hemming gum in between or just sew it. So we have this. So if you like, you can sew it. Then the next thing is just to fold this. You can see there is an opening here. So you are going to fold around this side. So we have this. So we have this. So the next thing is just to go to the machine and then put this. So you're welcome back. So what you are going to do now is just to sew the mark out area. You are starting your sewing from here. Don't forget it is 1 inch away. So don't forget it is 1 inch away. So you start your sewing from that place. So the next thing you are going to do is just to cut out. So cut out this from the center. So then you cross this way. You cut this way. Cut it gently. Then you do the same thing at the other side. So you can trim off this. Then trim off this one too. But leave this place, leave this side, leave it like that. So what you are going to do now is now to insert this. You are going to insert this. So while inserting this, you have to be very careful. You can see, you place it this way and you put it in. Or you do that from the other side here. So just calculate it. Now, the distance between here and here is 1. So what you want to achieve is this. So just leave little allowance for where you are going to put your button. So like half inch for the button. Half inch for the button from this line. Half inch for the button. Then you leave the remaining one as the sewing allowance. So you can just mark it out. This side. The remaining one will be inside. So I can just trim it off to have little allowance like that. So I have this. Then you are going to place this one inside. There is a hole here. Then put it this way, not this way. This way, inside. You can open it up from here and pull it. Let it align very well. So it must be side by side like that. So the next thing is just to close it up. Complete your sewing. You can now trim off this. You can trim off this excess. So the next thing is just to turn it to the other side. So you have to watch to the end and see how we do the final finishing. So we have this. Iron out this place.